Hey guys, it's Yaya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an herb infused curl defying cream using marshmallow roots. So I'm going to jump right in, and I'm using 3 tablespoons of the marshmallow roots in about a cup and a half of water, and I'm going to go ahead and bring that to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about these amazing butters from Oz Love Organics. The first one is Kokum Butter. It's my first time working with this butter, and you can already see that it is a hard butter. It's a little crumbly in texture, but it melts instantly as soon as it touches your skin. Yeah, but I had to use a knife to cut it and measure it out. So the next butter is the Illipe Butter, which is great for texture for your final product. It is a hard butter as well as the Kokum Butter, but it's not as crumbly. But these butters both work to add great texture to your final product. Okay, so I'm just going to use the bits and pieces that was already in there so I don't have to cut it up. Now moving on to the Murumuru Butter. This is my first time working with this butter as well, and you can see it's already trying to melt in my hand. It's not extremely soft like mango butter, it's like semi-soft, so it's like kind of in between, and this is why I'm using more of this than the other butters. Murumuru Butter also controls frizz and helps define curls, which is why I used more of it. The other butters will help with elasticity and endless other benefits that I will post below in the description box for you guys. Alright, now that the marshmallow root is done boiling, I'm going to go ahead and strain it into a container. This mixture actually yielded a lot more than I needed, so I end up using only half of that. Marshmallow root has so many amazing benefits, and it's going to add so much slip to this product. Now that all my ingredients are in a hot water bath, I'm going to go ahead and set up the emulsifying agent. This is the BTMS 50. It's conditioning and emulsifying agent, and you need this in order to mix water-based and oil-based ingredients together. Otherwise, they will not mix together. I'm also adding some of the hair massage oils from Oz Love Organics to this mixture. I use this for almost all of my DIY products, and I'm just going to set that in the hot water bath as well so that it can melt down. Now I'm going to move very quickly in combining all the oils into the marshmallow extract, because the emulsifying agent BTMS 50, it solidifies very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and use the immersion blender to go ahead and get the mixture started, and then I'm going to add the BTMS 50 in slowly. Now I didn't use the whole BTMS mixture, I used maybe half of it because I don't want it to feel waxy and I don't want it to take over my other oils. To simplify this, you can melt down your BTMS 50 in your butters and oils together, but I wanted to show you guys the difference in oils, and that's why I did it all separately so you guys can see it clearly. Alright, so just continue to blend and be very careful because it's still piping hot, and as you can see it's still like very liquidy. What I'm going to do is cover this up with a plastic wrap, and I'm going to sit in the freezer for about 3 minutes. Alright guys, I'm just going to continue this process. I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to blend it some more, and then I'm going to put it back in the freezer for another 3 minutes, and then I'm going to blend it again, and I'm going to continue this process until I get the right consistency that I'm looking for. It's going to be thick, creamy, and smooth, silky. Just a beautiful custard. You can see it already just working here. So just do this as many times as you feel like you need to get this consistency. I did it about 3 or 4 times. I think after the 4th time here, I think it was perfect. So yeah, as you can see it's almost there, not quite. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Alright, so straight out of the freezer, this is the 5th time, and you can see already it looks just so yummy and creamy, and it's a little harder now for me to blend, but you can see that once I start blending it's just going to be so smooth and silky. Look how yummy that is. That looks so yummy. I'm so excited about how this is turning out. I think I really owe this texture to the Kokum Butter and the Illipe Butter. Oh my god, just look how firm this is, and yet it's creamy, lightweight, and just beautiful, So now I'm going to add my liquid Germall, plus this is the preservative. You're going to need this if you're going to add water to any product unless you want it to mold, okay? If you can't or won't add a preservative, vitamin E will help a little bit, or you can refrigerate your products, or just don't use it for too long. Alright, so this is the final product, you guys, and I am ecstatic. Look how beautiful this leave-in is. Look how fluffy, beautiful, and it's gonna stay this consistency. I know I had some leave-ins in the past that solidified and hardened. They were still usable, but they weren't creamy like this. Now with the leftover marshmallow root, I just put it in a container for later use. But I wanted to put this in my hair, guys, so I can show you just how conditioning, silky, and curl defying this product is. And just watch it, like magic. It's just gonna absorb into my strands. Look at that. It melted away instantly. Like, my god, you guys, I'm just obsessed right now. I'm loving these butters. They're so unique and they're beautiful, natural, pure, organic products. Go check out Oz Love Organics, you guys. If you want premium, the best quality products for your hair creams, butters, whatever cosmetic products you want to make, check out Oz Love Organics, okay? As always, all the information is down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!